Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an uneven flame on your gas stove. And we're going to go ahead and light this and see that one side, the flame is nice and even. The other side is a little higher, it's a little more wild. We want to fix that, and there's about 3 things that you can do that you want to check. And the first one is, and I simulated this, is that you want to make sure that your burner cap is on and that it's on level. That'll cause flame to be uneven. Now, another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that these slots where the gas comes out are cleaned out of any kind of carbon or rust or maybe food particles. Just go through there with a paper clip straightened out, or maybe a toothpick, you can use that, will work. Just make sure those are all clean. It even tells you to keep those clear right here. And then the other thing is, and you might see this on a stove down there, that's where the gas is coming in. That could be clogged, so you can take your paper clip once again and clean that out. So if you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel or give this video a like, we'd really appreciate that. So just remember, the 3 things are, if you have an uneven flame coming out of your burner on your gas stove, make sure the burner cap is level, make sure the slots under the burner cap are cleaned out and clear, and that where the opening is where the natural gas comes into the stove is cleared out also. So just make sure to check those 3 things. Hope you enjoy this video. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.